We have this lion's mane mushroom coffee blend from Fully Joe. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. And what it is, it's a blend of the mushroom extract plus instant coffee and coconut milk powder. And you just add 1 tablespoon to 8 to 10 ounces of hot or cold water. And then you can add some sweetener or milk or creamer or whatever you want to and stuff. But we're going to give the lion's mane a try. I just pulled the little tear tab. I haven't even opened the seal yet. We're going to give it a go, see what we think of it. So I pulled the seal there, and you can see it kind of has a white and brown color to it because it's got coffee and mushroom and some coconut, whatever, milk powder or something like that, cream powder, coconut milk powder in there. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to put a tablespoon in my cup here and add 8 to 10 ounces of hot water, and we'll try it and see what we think of it. And I've got some of the Duralife monk fruit there in the bottom before I add my mushroom powder there. I put some of the Duralife monk fruit sweetener in there because I like that a lot in my coffee. So I just put 1/8 of a teaspoon in there and it sweetens it up really nicely. So we'll give that a go. Okay, so we got the lion's mane powder in there. We're just waiting for the water to heat up and then we'll be ready to roll. Okay, we just got our water boiling here. So we're going to put it in here with our lion's mane mushroom blend coffee extract. We'll stir that up and give it a taste here. Yeah, I would like it with a little bit more cream in it, but yeah, actually I'll just add some cream to it later here, but yeah, that's actually not bad at all. It's definitely tastes different than coffee because it's coffee with mushroom in it. So that's pretty, but yeah, I like trying different mushroom blends, so that's pretty cool. I like that. So